Hey foodies, welcome back to Food Fact for you. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into a topic you might not often think about when enjoying a meal on board a plane: in-flight catering. It's a complex process that begins with sourcing the right ingredients and ends with washing the dishes after the plane lands. But did you know that the luxury of your flight can also differ in the food you get? Let's explore the whole journey. Sourcing products. It all starts with sourcing the ingredients. Airlines and catering companies collaborate to create menus. They select food that's not only delicious, but also suitable for serving at high altitudes. Fresh products are often locally sourced to give the meals a local flavor. Think of Italian tomatoes and pasta on a flight to Italy. Meal preparation. After sourcing, the preparation begins. Trained chefs prepare the meals in large kitchens, often following strict recipes to ensure consistency. This is where the magic happens, with boiling water, cutting boards, herbs, and spices flying around as meals are prepared on a large scale. Special attention is given to dietary needs, such as vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and halal meals, to cater to passengers' preferences. On-board aircraft storage. Once the meals are prepared, they are stored in special containers and transported to the aircraft. Planes have their own small kitchens on board, where the crew heats up the meals and makes final preparations before serving. Cooling and heating systems on board ensure that the food remains fresh and safe. During the flight, the meals are heated and served to the passengers. But that's not all. Besides the meals, drinks, snacks, and special requests like children's meals need to be handled. The quality and variety of food on board can vary significantly, depending on the airline and the class you're traveling in. First class and business class passengers often enjoy high-quality meals, while meals in the economy class are simpler. Post-flight dishwashing. When the flight lands, the work isn't over. All the tableware, from plastic cups to porcelain plates, needs to be collected and washed before the aircraft is ready for the next flight. Key catering companies and number of employees, and let's not forget who makes the magic happen. Let's check some of the largest catering companies the in-flight catering industry has. GateGmet, with a global presence. GateGmet supplies meals to hundreds of airlines worldwide. They have thousands of employees worldwide involved in meal production, logistics, and distribution. Now, let's check LSG Sky Chefs. As part of the Lufthansa Group, LSG Sky Chefs is one of the world's largest in-flight catering companies. They have over 35,000 employees in more than 50 countries worldwide. Then we have Do & Co. Do & Co. is an Austrian catering company that provides dishes to airlines and events worldwide. They have around 11,000 employees globally. And last but not least, we have Emirates Flight Catering, based in Dubai. This company not only provides meals for Emirates Airlines, but also for numerous other airlines. They have a workforce of about 11,000 employees. Emirates Airlines has an expert menu committee that collaborates with renowned chefs to create menus. They prioritize the highest quality and sustainability, aiming to use local products when possible. Around 1,500 chefs work together to assemble 1,200 new menus each month. Meals are prepared on a large scale in state-of-the-art kitchens. Presentation is important, especially in first class and business class, where meals are often served on beautiful tableware. Interestingly, a lot of tasks are done by hand in this catering facility. Employees portion the dishes and hand polish all the cutlery, even though machines are available for this purpose. We believe this method is used to ensure quality. This way, no corners are cut when multiple sets of eyes have seen the product pass by. The luxury of your flight can truly vary in the food you receive. As mentioned earlier, first class and business class passengers can enjoy gourmet meals prepared by talented chefs. These meals are often served on porcelain plates with matching wines. In the economy class, meals are usually simpler, but airlines strive to offer tasty options. Regional differences also play a role. For example, If you're traveling with an Asian airline, you can expect traditional Asian dishes, while European airlines often offer European flavors. Some airlines also have special collaborations with renowned restaurants and chefs to give their meals an exclusive touch. But remember, regardless of which class you're traveling in, catering staff work hard to ensure you have a tasty and satisfying meal during your flight. So, that's the whole journey of in-flight catering, from sourcing products to washing the dishes. The next time you're on a plane and enjoying your meal, you'll know that there's a lot of work behind ensuring everything is safe, delicious, and memorable. And remember, the luxury of your flight can also vary in the food you receive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what topic you'd like to see in our next video.